Magandang hapon po ng April 4, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 4, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, April 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 4, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 89.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 16 million pesos for Thursday, April 4, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 4, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.